All right, let me tell you, most people don't realize that the air they breathe upstairs often starts in the basement. Now, the EPA reports that Americans spend up to 90% of their time indoors, and poor indoor air quality is consistently ranked among the top 5 environmental risks to public health. So, if your basement has moisture, cracks, or leaks, that air can carry mold spores, allergens, and harmful pollutants straight into the heart of your home. This isn't just a home maintenance issue, it's a health issue, people. And that's why basement inspections and waterproofing are not optional, they're essential. Now, you got companies like Green Home Solutions handling basements and indoor air quality across the country. Hey, call them. It's 1-800-SOLUTIONS, the number is, because, protecting your air means protecting your home and your family.